So people seem to say that Starbucks had the best lemon loaf, but I just can't agree with that because this recipe is even better. Now we want maximum citrus flavour, so I'm going to add lime zest, lemon zest, I'm going to rub that into our sugar to release the oils. And we go in with eggs and we whisk that for 3 minutes until it's thick. It will look nice and pale, then we add in our cream. And then we just sift in those dry ingredients. I'm going to use cake flour and baking powder. Whisk that through gently to combine. And then really the secret to a great cake, a little bit of oil and some lemon extract. And we pour it into a greased and lined 2-pound loaf tin. Pipe a thin line of butter in the center, then into the oven. So 2 things, you've got to use lemon extract, not lemon juice, that's totally different because it really ramps up that lemon flavor. And then cake flour is optional, you could use plain all-purpose flour, but cake flour has a lower protein content, so it's gonna give you a softer sponge. While it bakes, we make a quick soaking syrup. So we've got sugar, lemon juice, and water, bring it to the boil. And when this comes out of the oven, just have a look at that cake. And while the cake is still warm, you wanna pour that soaking syrup all over the cake. You wanna really soak it. And while the cake is still warm, wrap it up and put it in the fridge overnight, and it's gonna make the sponge even better. My cake is chilled now overnight, and I've got an icing here. This is literally just icing sugar, powdered sugar, and lemon juice. We're gonna paint this all over the cake and then put it in the oven. And we put it in for about 3 minutes. I mean, Starbucks, they got nothing on this, and I can guarantee you this is a soft, moist sponge.